try, but it's not going to be something that's going to be done in 15 minutes. That's drop it off. Yes, because I'm going to have to look at it. It's not a quick. If I could pop that into pieces, like if it was riveted where I could repound it, that's all solid press. So it's going to take me a minute to make a key for that.
Just go back to normal engine.
Make that worldwide everything.
Mm-hmm.
When did you graduate?
86.
Oh, 86, yeah, well, I was in 75, didn't have to do that. Yeah.
86, there was just a little box that didn't do a whole lot.
Yeah, the cell phone was a bag phone and your luggage you look like.
Yeah.
Take care, I'll see you around.
Where should I leave this? Mark, should I leave this back with you?
Yeah, just give it to me. I'll put it in my office. I'll work on it here, and just I got to finish setting this up. But that's one I'm gonna have to continue to work on because I can't disassemble it. So it'll be a cut by cut by cut until I get it close enough. So
Okay.
yeah.
All right, we got 1973 after.
Set to run through Lions and then Delta. I don't need these, though, you're not busy, you can come with me. Unless Flicky wants to go with me. Ben, you wanna go with me on this one, or you wanna take? No, man.
Alright.
Will we take the white van or blue van? What bags in the blue van?
If any of those keys don't work.
Thank you. You got, mail and your mailbox keys in here, Fred. I guess I'm gonna go by myself. Oh, okay. Stay here. Take those, just roll that.
How did you get enough cord to plug this in? Just. Oh, never mind. They're just
Sometimes
not.
you gotta fish it through that track sometimes.
Yeah, it's just not tight. Yeah,
Well,
I see.
It took me a little bit to get it to. I had to fight with it for a little while.
Yeah, I see. I just didn't want to break anything at first, and then I'm like, oh, okay, I see now.
I got you. Setting everything up tonight. It'll probably be ready by the time I get.
Yeah, it's supposed to start at 3 in the morning
Yeah.
till 1 in the afternoon.
I'm setting it all up tonight. My buddy said he'll be here by noon tomorrow. I was like, well, I'm gonna go set everything up before the rain.
How do we?
Is there a good way that you? Why did you just zip tie all these?
No, they just.
Because they
You
keep
said,
getting caught on the track just from
So-
rolling.
Well, they shouldn't, because this guy will go.
Like when I did it like this, that was fine. But when I got back to here, they were hanging and
Well,
catching.
this guy will end up. Let's see, where's the red guy? The red guy will end up going.
I haven't put the other
Yeah,
track
let's get
on
the
yet.
other track.
Okay.
The red guy. Okay, so the red guy and the white guy. These two are gonna
Yeah.
go here.
Yep.
The red guy and the white guy are gonna come up in here. Like
Oh,
that.
so they'll link together, and I
This
won't.
one-
I won't have it.
This one goes into.
Oh, that
No,
goes to the
no,
stuff.
it
No, I
doesn't.
was
It
gonna
doesn't
say
go
I was
that
like the control
so
unit
this,
said it.
this one
went
goes
to
into this one right here.
Okay, up top.
So
Okay,
it goes-
so it'll be out of the way then,
Weasel. What I did was I weaseled it up behind that,
and then plug
and
it
it
in.
comes in behind this side.
Okay, all right. Okay, that makes more sense because that was the one I was worried
Yeah,
about.
and then
was
these
that
two,
one.
that track will come down right here, and then they'll just
hook
swap
together.
into
Okay,
that.
cool,
Yeah.
cool. Q. I think you said
Yep.
not the greatest instructions.
I mean, try and remember what you're doing because these cheap things, I don't know how long they're going to last. He goes, if they last me 6 months, I'll just keep buying these ones.
For the price, yeah.
100
Yeah,
After his discount, that one was $100.
that's and this is a nice size engraver.
Yeah.
Yep.
You get 1,000, you get 10,000 tags out of that. That's more than paid for itself.
Yep. Okay. Next
All right.
one.
Grab my shit.
Of course it was
Pick.
in the back.
Keys, core, control keys. Everything else is in the van. Grab my. Yeah, maybe it's not a support for you. Maybe it is something in the canvas itself. The way it's woven. Because it can't be the way it's being burnt. Because it's a completely straight line, and I'm burning it on a 5-degree angle. So it's got to be the way the textile's been woven together. Because you can see now there's like 3 or 4 different striations of it. It could also be where the paint's a little thicker too, I don't know. Fabric soaked up more paint. Alright, I'll be back. My fucking glasses. Sunglasses.
Going in this way.
I must have lost my sunglasses somewhere. I have no clue where they ended up. Okay. Here's what it is.
I won't get into the post office.
figured out on those prismatic chests how you open them. Depending on where you're at, it'll be a different puzzle. But when I went into the one room, I just didn't see it because it didn't show up like that. I was doing the next Alone in the Dark mission, and there's another one of those prismatic chests in a new location. And I come up to it, and it says the same thing, you need a prismatic key to open this. And I'm like, so I start looking around, and here there's a crystal like hiding in the back corner. When you pick the crystal up, all of a sudden all these symbols then appear in the room around in this big circular thing. There's like 12 of them all around in locations. But you can't, if you jump down off the top ledge, all the symbols disappear. So you have to walk around this giant circle looking through these slats in the windows to see where the corresponding symbol is on the other side. And you can't jump down because if you jump down, it resets it. So, and then there's all these like little bird nest things along the wall. And you have to find the crystal. Yeah, and do it. But the one room I was in, I couldn't find, like, that's why it threw me off. There was nothing like that. Like, at least now I know to look for some weird puzzle that's in there that's not really shown. But yeah, once I found that crystal, and it took me a minute to figure it out because you can't see where the locations of the symbols really are.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, I'll pick the crystal up, jump in the center. I know right where to go. As soon as I jumped in, everything reset.
It's
You
not
got
what you're
cricket.
supposed to do. Is you're supposed to do it with the second person.
Yeah, standing
Have
there.
Some second person
Yeah.
just stand in the middle and tell you where to
Which
go.
one to go to, yeah. I figured that much out, but then I was like, okay, this is kind of a pain in the ass solo, but I got it. But yeah, I don't know on that first one where the puzzle was, because I didn't see a crystal, I didn't see nothing in there to even like represent a puzzle to start, so. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Are you very positive pockets? Yeah, she actually moved it, 'cause that was back in old timey times.
Oh, I put it on upside down. You little bastards. It should be a thing. Top, bottom.
Hmm? Hey, that's cool. Where'd you get that?
Hey, let's try this way.
Doesn't help that I took 3 hours to draw. That's cool.
That goes there. This goes on. That's the power cord. Not the laser. More power. What are you doing, B? You don't need any of this. Goes like y'all. Air assisted, we're not doing. How does the power connect in? Hello, power cord, where do you plug in at? Retarded. Why can I not see that? Where that goes? Power right on the top. How do I not see that? Oh, cause it's hiding.
No, this is a push.
We got nippers, wire cutters. Or just really small scissors.
Just give me some of the white band and the pull out drawers in the back.
Okay.
3 up, I think, from the bottom.
I'll check here. Just in case there's a pair. But you need a longer cord. Alright, everything is set up on the laser. The only thing I'm gonna need is a new power cord or a new printer cable. The one they gave is just not long enough for how I want to set it up. We'll need one that's at least 6 feet long, if not a little longer. Step 3, M58. Why do I have 3 screws left? Step 3. Oh, because they put the extra little screw in on the feet.
All that traction on the van, so that's swept it out. Just the holes that are in there, and then there's a box